All right, special thanks to this company for sending us this light. We were able to get it custom engraved. We selected the bat. They of course have a few different options, and it has an engraving of Big C. So this is what it looks like. This is the size of it. You can see back in there some LEDs and a little string to hang it with. This is your power cable and a little remote. So we can hang this up and run this USB to some power adapter and have this Big C light. Let's show you what it looks like. And so that's what it looks like, all plugged up. And then the little remote can turn it off, on, make it one color. Very cool. I like the green. All right. So there you go, that'll do it for this product. That's basically what it'll look like. And it plugs in with USB, that just plugs in right there. Well, that's it, thanks for watching. Thanks again to this company for sending it to me so I could display it for you. And we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.